To get this amazing effect, first you have to add text to the timeline. Add your text in the text box and customize its font size and color. Afterwards, click on the AI avatars. Here you have a lot of characters. Choose your favorite one and click on Next.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press Next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
When you click on Next, it will take you to the Add Speech section. In this section, choose an AI voice for your text and click on Generate.
The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The purpose of life.
It will take some time for matching the lip sync.
The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Ralph Waldo Emerson.
Let's discover some amazing animations for texts. Add text to the timeline, and then type your desired text into the text box. Now head over to the Animations tab. Click on the In tab. Here you have animations for the appearance of the text. Scroll down and choose Animation for your text. When you choose an animation, choose Animation for text to disappear. These animations are available in Out tab. The third option for applying animations to the text is loop animations. Loop animations have both the characteristics, like appearing and disappearing. Add text to the timeline. Then type your desired text in the text box and customize it. Change its color to dark red. Now duplicate the text. For this text, change the color to light red. Duplicate the text again and change its color to white. Now create compound clips for all the texts. Hide the third text layer. Select the second layer and head over to the mask section and apply a split mask. Drag this mask slightly upward and add some feather. After this, unhide the third layer. Select the third layer and apply a film strip mask. Make it narrow. Rotate this mask to around 60 degrees. Place this mask on the right side. Add a keyframe here, then move the playhead 20 or 25 frames ahead and drag the mask towards the left side. And there you have it. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content.